Hi, good morning, students. Today we'll do a sixth chapter, Keeping Safe. All of us want to be safe, but to be safe, we must be very careful. The best way to avoid all accidents is to be careful and to follow certain rules. Now, how we can be safe at our home? Most of the time, we are at home. So, first, we'll do safety at home. At home, we shouldn't play with fire, they are very dangerous. Do not lean from balconies and we shouldn't leave things on the floor. Anybody can slip and fall down. Next, do not take medicines on your own. When you are at home, always consult your parents or elders, then only take the medicines. Do not play with cleaning material like phenyl, it can be very poisonous. And don't use sharp objects like knives, scissors. You can cut your fingers or hands. And don't touch electrical equipments like irons, switches with wet hands because you can get a shock. Do not play on terrace or rooftop. Always play in a park or open ground. Whenever you want to play, don't play on terrace. You can fall down. Now, when we are at school, safety is also necessary at school. So, do not rush. Whenever you enter the school, there are so many students. So, do not rush. Always walk in a queue. And don't climb on desks and chairs. You can fall down and get hurt. Don't play with sharp or pointed objects like students try to play with compass and the pointed things. So, you can get hurt. Don't run up or down the staircase. Whenever you have to use the staircase, don't run up or down the staircase. You should always walk and slowly and then go up and down the staircase. And don't eat your food in hurry. Now, next, suppose we are traveling, we are having holidays and we are traveling. So, how we can be safe when we are traveling? Don't play on accelerators when we go to malls or any shopping malls. We don't have to play on accelerators. They can be very risky. And when we are on road, you have to use footpath or you can use zebra crossing. And whenever you are cycling, you have to keep your left. And don't put your head or hands out while traveling in bus or train. Suppose you are traveling in a bus, don't try to put your head out of the bus. Now suppose you are playing in a playground. How you can be safe in a playground? Don't push others while playing on the swings. Don't throw stones at each other. You can get hurt. And don't play in wet fields. You can slip. You can also get hurt. And do not hit each other. Suppose you are playing in a playground, don't hit each other. Always follow the rules of the game while playing. Then only you can be safe. And do not try to talk to strangers outside the home. Whenever you go out, you may get some strangers, but don't try to talk with the strangers. Now, suppose you have got hurt and you are injured. Then we are not having doctor immediately. So, the immediate help that is given to an injured person before taking him to a doctor is called as first aid. Now, some steps we should follow when an accident occurs. Suppose by chance, by carelessness, suppose we are having some accident. Then always keep calm. Call an adult or a doctor. And we have to wash the wound with running water. Then apply antiseptic lotion to kill the germs. After giving first aid, take the injured person to a doctor. So you can save even the life of the injured person. In case of burn, suppose you are burned, put it under cool water. Then apply antiseptic cream. Now prevention is always better than cure. If we will try to prevent, then it is the best cure. So if we want to be healthy and free from diseases, we must take care of the following things at home and at school to be free from dirt and dust, kitchen garbage, waste things, mosquitoes and flies, stagnant water. So these all things we must avoid. Then only we can lead a healthy life. And we must have enough amount of sunlight and fresh air. It should enter our house to keep us healthy. Now suppose if we get hurt, and that time we must keep our first aid box ready so that we get it and we can help the injured person. And in our first aid box these things should be there: antiseptic lotion, cotton, bandage, antiseptic cream, scissors, gauze bandages, etc. So be careful, be safe, and don't try to be careless. Then only we can have a safe and healthy life. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.